we're diving into lesson 7, looking at the first problem that is on that page. This is the back of the first page of this week's homework. And looking at these 3 different graphs, we're trying to label the y-axis for each that is appropriate for the measurement of the circle. We learned on Tuesday that area is the only one of these that has a curve. So that is a loud bell. Area is going to be this one. That is the y-axis for that one because it has the curve. And then these other 2, you got to look a little closer. If you look at this one close enough, at 1, it's going through about 3-ish. So that tells me that the constant is pi. And the relationship that has pi as a constant is diameter and circumference. So this one is circumference. And that process of elimination, this one must be radius. So that one is radius. So moving on to number 2. A circle has an area of 500 square inches. And the diameter of, circle A is 500. And circle B is 3 times the diameter of circle A. And so we are to estimate the area of circle B. Alright, well, circle A is 500 square inches. And the diameter of B is 3 times the diameter of circle A. Well, that doesn't mean that it's going to be 3 times bigger per se in area, because we learned this back when we were doing scale drawings. If you have a shape and a larger shape and its sizes are scaled up by 3, okay? Yes, maybe this went from 3 to 9 in diameter, but the area grows by the square of the scale factor. So if the diameter of circle B is 3 times greater, that means that its area is 9 times greater. So the area is going to get bigger by a factor of 9 times bigger. Alright, so let's look at this example here. So if circle A, which we'll say is over here, and it's 500 inches squared, and a lot of people are going to answer 1,500 because they're going to multiply that area by 3 and say it's 1,500. But this particular problem, the area grows by the scale factor squared. So we had to do 3 times 3 to get 9. The area is actually 9 times bigger, and 500 times 9 is going to be our answer. 9 times 5 is 45. Tack on the 2 zeros, and you have your estimation, which is going to be about 4,500 square inches. And that is number 1 and number 2.